A very good morning. It's Mark here. It is Thursday, March the 13th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern US session underway and 1 p.m. GMT European session halfway through, going into the afternoon portion of the European trading. Let's start with the dollar index. Daily chart, you can see US is continuing where it left off yesterday. Very small green candle, resistance at 103.41. So yes, we do have two green candles, but certainly no demand for US dollars. Haven't yet reached 103.60, the high from 2 days ago. Bias is down, trend is down. And if we do go to the hourly, there you can see US dollar trying to break through 103.42. Looks like it's going to be an important level. If it can break above there, possibly some more buying and demand for US dollars. Alternatively, you can see the range trading we have between 102.80 and 103.40. Sellers could see this as an opportunity to start selling and bounce down off this resistance as you see, as we saw yesterday. Let's have a look at S&P. In pre-market trading, still 1.5 hours until Wall Street opens up. There was a gap up to start this morning, but already sellers have brought it down. You can see that. Pretty much trading between 5,600, 5,640 to 50 looks to be the activity. Let's have a look at the hourly. There you can see 56.61, 5,661, the intraday resistance on the hourly, coming down off that now, and intraday support at 5,611. Trend is down, bias is down, and similar to the US dollar index, both in a downtrend for now. Let's have a look at commodities and have a look how gold is performing. Strong day for gold through the Asian and the European sessions. From the get-go, gold has been strong. There was a gap up to start the day. 2,938 is where the trading day started already. 2,948, almost 2,950 is the resistance so far. This is the third consecutive day of higher highs, higher low, demand for gold. If we zoom into the hourly, there you can see it's tried twice, trying for a third time to break through this 2,949, looking for the all-time high, sitting here at 2,956. Definitely bullish on gold. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Had also fought back nicely over the last couple of days. Yesterday and the day before. In early trading, 71.20. Right now sitting at 70.59. It has come down a little bit. Intraday's support, 70.43. Looks like that $71 mark is pivotal. Let's just zoom in on the hourly. There you can see from the 71.24 resistance, it is coming down. Sellers will be looking to test the 70.40 level, and that's the range we're looking at right now. Interesting that in the previous hour, the support at 70.43 does match with the resistance from the 11th of March at 70.43. When resistance becomes support, often is significant. So let's watch out for that level. And then let's look at Bitcoin this morning. Here's the big picture. I drew in this descending trend line. And even though for the past 2 days, yes, we've had a fight back off the support here at 76,500, kind of continued yesterday up to 84,300, and that is the resistance for today as well. Looks like a bit of a sell-off today, but I think as long as price action remains at this point below the $90,000 mark, certainly downtrend is still intact. Selling is dominating. The sellers are dominating. That's why I put in this descending trend line, trading down this very narrow range between 82.2 thousand and 84,000, narrow range to start the day. Anywhere around the high 80s, 88, 89, up to 90, would see price action testing. Buyers testing this descending trend line, perhaps look for nice selling opportunities if that does arise. Maybe it doesn't even get there. And if a break below the 82, a break below 80, possibly come down here and test the 76,000 again. Good trading. I'll see you at the end of today's session.